Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to install a fresh Windows 10 copy in a desktop PC or laptop. So let's take a look how to do that. This is my Dell Vista desktop PC. I recently buy this from local market. Now I want to install Windows 10 in this PC. How you can do that? I want to install Windows 10 from a bootable USB pen drive. So I hope you might also have a bootable pen drive. You can easily install, or you might be don't know how to install from bootable USB pen drive to a computer. For example, this is a fresh copy and there is a no have any Windows and I want to install Windows on this PC. For that, you need to connect this bootable USB pen drive right over here, and then we're going to turn on our PC. Press this power button. Also, when you press the power button, you need to long press in your keyboard F12 key to appear boot menu option. So I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to press this power button and then I'm going to click this F12 key to let this computer appear bootable option in my PC. You can see it's saying preparing bootable option. Now you can see it's saying UEFI boot. Here I'm getting my HP B220W PMAP. So I'm going to choose that and I'm going to click in my keyboard enter. Now you can see this device going to be run my bootable pen drive where I already installed Windows 10. So you might get any if you can get this Windows 10 and you can make it bootable USB pen drive, and later on you can easily install or format any PC if you want. So I'm just waiting for let this device boot up and let me see by step. So I'm just waiting to run Windows 10. You can see now it's appeared the Windows 10 skin, and it is the skin where we're going to work all these things. First of all, here saying that language to install that you had downloaded from the Windows operating system, which is the languages and etc. So we don't need to do anything, we just keep as it is, because in this bootable pen drive there is only Windows 10 with English version. It might be other versions. So we're going to click here next. After click on next, it will scan appear something like this. You need to click here install now. After click on install now, it's going to saying that setup is installing. It will take a little bit time to appear the other skin. So we need to be patient for the second or other skin to come out. Now you can say it's saying to select the operating system you want to install. Actually this is I am going to choose this OEM. You might be not going to appear this skin, so you can easily ignore it. I'm going to click here next and let me see what's coming else. And here you will get these things. Obviously you need to click here I accept the license and terms, and then you need to click here next. And here it will give you two option, either you want to upgrade or you want to install Windows only. So I'm going to click here install Windows only, and then it will give you the driver connected in your PC. You can see this is my driver 0 partition 3 in my desktop PC, that is 1 terabyte. Here is, you can see it's appear 925 MB. So we're going to also, you can see this is the another which is already in this PC. There is a oven. We're going to make it delete, so I don't need the oven. I'm going to delete that, and again I'm going to delete all these things which is no needed, and I'm going to create again a new partition and which will be better. Also I'm going to click this to delete, and now it will give you a fresh copy. So again I can see another, that one also I'm going to click delete. So it will be all partition coming together, and after that I'm going to make it divided. This is like a additional setup which will helpful for you. You can see now here it's appear total free space 931 MB. So we need to, I want to create for example 2 partition. One is 500 and another is 3 what is the remain. I'm going to create that. So I'm going to choose that and I'm going to click here new. After clicking new, you can see here appear the size which is MB. We're going to type here, for example, I'm type here 5, and then I'm going to click here apply, and it's going to give you a warning message. I'm going to click here OK, and let me see what the second steps appear. You can see I have successfully created this partition which is 540, and there is also remaining 390 GB. So I'm going to click that also, and I'm going to click here new, and then I'm going to click here apply, and that is going to two partition. Now you can see this is the one partition and this is the other partition. Don't worry about this, is like a system recovery, etc. So we need to touch on it. We're going to install our Windows on this partition which is 540 GB. So I'm going to choose that, and I'm going to click here next. After click on next, it's going to be copying Windows file 0%. So it's going to be step by step Windows going to be installed, and it will take a little bit time. For example, it might take 10 to 15 minutes to installing all this process. So be patient and wait for the second step. So I'm going to show you to other step too. So be patient until finish these things. After almost done, you will get here to let's start with the reason. Is this right? You need to choose the reason. So I'm going to choose the United States, and I'm going to click on next. After that, we'll see is this the right keyboard layout? Yes, we're going to click here yes, and also you can add more layout. I'm going to right now click skip here, and let me see what else giving me. It's saying to connect with the internet. I'm going to skip for now, and then it's saying to connect now to save time later. I'm going to click here no. Those all things you can do later on, and here it's saying who's going to use this PC. I'm going to type my PC name, and then I'm going to click here next. After it's saying to type a password, you can type here any password if you want, but right now I'm going to click here next. I'm not going to type any password. And here it's saying do more access device with activity history. I'm going to click here yes, and then it's saying to choose a privacy setting for your device. I'm going to click here accept, and it's going to say just a moment, so you will wait for just a moment. You can see I had successfully installed Windows 10 on my new fresh Dell desktop PC. So within this way you can easily install Windows 10. It's really easy and simple. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.